Okay, alright. So this is an interesting one. So I've got the oscilloscope there. Look at these weird readings I get. This, I believe, is the new battery. Okay. 6.8 to 8. And on the other side, this is the coil. Whereas, for example, here, quite stable. Very stable, which is at 1 volt. And same here. Was it here or here? Can't remember. Maybe here. Ignore that. Okay. And 5 volt and 3 volt. They're playing up okay. No issues there. See, that's pretty stable. And that's pretty stable. So this issue with this battery area, and the behavior is same without a battery. Something's not right. Okay. See if you can help. Thank you.